Hello, this is the Penny for Your Shots podcast. I'm your host, Penny Fitzgerald, friend, wife, bonus mom, and nana, and I love to have a great time with friends, especially over a glass of wine. I'm also an entrepreneur with 20 years in the corporate world and almost that much time sharing wine tastings and building my business as an elite leader with the first and best direct selling wine company in the country. I've faced a lot of challenges in my career and also experienced so much joy, usually over wine. This podcast is about just that, women sharing what we've learned through our experiences in business, what we do differently, what lights us up, and what we'd tell our younger selves. And it's about sharing favorite memories around wine or cocktails with friends. You can expect a new episode every Thirsty Thursday. I started this podcast because I believe that sharing stories and a glass of wine brings us together and makes us stronger. I hope you can find a bit of yourself in these stories, are lifted up, and will share a laugh with me. And a drink. Now grab a glass. It's time for Penny for Your Shots.